Endotracheal intubation. What is the intubation? It is the placement of endotracheal tube inside the trachea through the mouth or nostrils. Indications: to maintain airway in unconscious patients, patients undergoing prolonged intermittent positive pressure ventilation, to facilitate tracheopulmonary toilet, patient with upper airway obstruction such as tremors, anesthetic technique necessitative intermittent positive pressure ventilation, intra-abdominal surgeries, intrathoracic surgeries or neurosurgical procedures done under general anesthesia to protect the respiratory tract from aspiration pneumonia, hyperventilation to decrease raised intracranial pressure. And equipments: ET tube, tracheostomy tube, and laryngoscope, embu bag, suction machine, and medicines. Confirming depth note placement: making of depth on tube. Depth: male patient 21 to 23 cm and 22 to 23 cm in oral ETT, and females 19 to 21 and 20 to 22, and nasal ETT 23 to 25 and 21 to and female patient 21 to 23. Pediatric ET depth is equal to 12 plus age by 2, or infants ET tube use rule of 7. 1 kg is equal to depth of 7 cm, 2 kg is equal to depth of 8 cm, 3 kg is equal to depth of 9 cm, 4 kg is equal to depth of 10 cm. In position: flexion neck 25 to 35 degree, extension 85 degree. जब आप इंट्यूबेट करते हैं पेशेंट को तो आप स्निफिंग पोजीशन देते हैं, एंड नॉर्मल पेशेंट, एडल्ट पेशेंट, एंड ओबेस पेशेंट में आपको देना होता है रामपेट पोजीशन. एंड नाउ कमिंग टू द मालाम्पति स्कोर, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. class 4 is the Mallampati score. First class you can see complete visualization of the soft palate, and second class complete visualization of the uvula, and third class visualization of the base of the uvula, and last class is the incomplete visualization of the soft palate and uvula. Techniques: hold the laryngoscope with left hand, open the mouth with right hand, index finger with support of thumb, introduce laryngoscope from right angle to left, press over tongue and see the epiglottis, lift it and watch for vocal cord, take the tube in right hand and introduce under vision. Indication: central nervous system depression, neuromuscular disease, chest wall injury, upper airway obstructions, anticipated upper airway obstructions, edema, soft tissue swelling due to head and neck trauma, post-operative head and neck surgeries, decreased level of consciousness. Aspiration, prophylaxis, fracture of cervical, vertebral and spinal cord injury. And complications: laryngeal tracheal injury, bleeding, sore throat, barotrauma, pulmonary infection and sepsis, dependence on artificial airway. Article: size of tube 0 to 1 years 2.5 to 3.5 mm, 1 to 3 years 4 to 5 mm, 4 to 6 years 5 to 6 mm, 6 to 10 years 6 to 7 mm. कफ ट्यूब आपको 0 to 6 ईयर तक आपको विथआउट प्लेन ईटी ट्यूब यूज़ करना है, उसमें विथआउट कफ होता है. एंड 6 टू एडल्ट पेशेंट, 6 टू जो भी एडल्ट पेशेंट होते हैं उनमें आप कफ ट्यूब यूज़ करोगे, क्योंकि आप इन्फेंट्स में अगर पीडियाट्रिक में कफ ट्यूब यूज़ करते हैं तो ट्रेकिया में इंजरी होने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. एंड उसको प्रिवेंट करने के लिए आप प्लेन ट्यूब यूज़ करते हैं, एंड एडल्ट पेशेंट में आप कफ ट्यूब यूज़ कर सकते हो. 6 to 10 years 6 to 7 mm cuff tube, adult female 7 to 8 mm, adult male 8 to 9 mm. And sandbag, towel roll, suction apparatus with tubing. सैंडबैग एंड टॉवेल रोल आपको स्निफिंग पोजीशन देने के लिए आपको लेना है. एंड सक्शन अपरेटस विथ ट्यूबिंग फॉर सक्शन. suction catheter, ambu bag and mask, oxygen sources and tubing, laryngoscope with appropriate size blade, Meglin forceps, endotracheal tube of appropriate size, stellate to guiding the ET tube, xylocaine jelly, plastic syringe 10 ml, oral airway, cotton tape, dynaplast and gloves. Now coming to the procedure. Nursing action: explain procedure to the patient if conscious and get consent from patient and relatives. Rationals: promote acceptance of procedures and cooperation for procedure from patient. Second one is place patient in supine position with head extended by keeping sandbag or towel roll under neck. Promote access to trachea. Check for loose teeth, dentures. If so remove with Meglin forceps. आपको चेक करना होता है अगर डेंचर्स है या लूज टीथ है, बिकॉज ऑफ टू अवॉइड डेंजर ऑफ लूज टीथ कॉजिंग एयरवे ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन. Seal mouth and nose with mask and ambu bag and initiate bagging with oxygen. Provide laryngoscope to doctor. Suction oral cavity. Provide a clear field of work and prevent aspiration when performing oral tracheal insertion. Provide lubricated endotracheal tube with stellate in situ. Rationals: provide a clear field of work and prevent aspiration when performing oral tracheal insertion. Press cricothyroid cartilage with thumb and index finger against esophagus. Rational: facilitate insertion without chance of injury. Assist while endotracheal tube is introduced into trachea and remove stellate. The tube when inserted should have the 22 cm marking at the incisor teeth and tube should be fixed at the midline to prevent pressure ulcer at the angle of the mouth. Permits clear visualization of oropharynx for insertion. Verify placement of tube by auscultation, listening, feeling for airflow through tube and observe for bilateral chest movement. Rational: confirm tube placement. Connect ambu bag with oxygen attached to endotracheal tube and continue bagging. Inflate cuff of the endotracheal tube with 10 ml of air. Prevent chance: you have to inflate 8 to 10 ml of air to inflate the pilot balloon. Prevent chances of tube displacement and aspiration. Insert an oral airway and apply endotracheal suctioning if necessary. Oral airway is a Goodell's airway. Fix endotracheal tube in position by using adhesive tape. Connect to ventilator if needed. Procedural care: place patient in lateral position. Arrange for chest X-ray to be taken in order to check placement of ET tube. Apply endotracheal suctioning if secretions are present. Watch for chest movement, ET tube kinking, obstructions with secretions and blood, leakage of tube cuff, change in position of tube and over inflation of cuff. Documents type and size of tube used, chest movement, vital signs and patient's tolerance to procedure. Check ABG periodically. Now coming to the special considerations. Check cuff pressure using manometer if available. For detecting underinflation or overinflation of cuff, if underinflated, it can lead to aspiration and displacement of tube. Overinflation can lead to tracheal injury and ulceration leading to stenosis. आपको ज़्यादा ट्यूब इन्फ्लेट नहीं, आपको पायलट बलून जो होता है ET ट्यूब के अंदर आपको ज़्यादा इन्फ्लेट नहीं करना होता है, ज़्यादा इन्फ्लेट नहीं करना है. अगर ज़्यादा इन्फ्लेट किया आपने तो आपका जो ट्रेकिया है वो इंजर्ड हो सकता है. आपको नॉर्मली आपका जो पायलट बलून होता है वो ज़्यादा फिल्ड नहीं करना है एयर से, अदरवाइज वो इंजर्ड हो सकता है. आपको क्या करना है, 8 to 10 ml एयर इन्फ्लेट करना है और पायलट बलून भी चेक करना होता है. ओके, थैंक यू.